Three minutes about skin tags and moles and skin lesions that protrude. Almost everybody has things sticking out of their skin, and the skin is supposed to be smooth. We're not supposed to have anything sticking out of our skin. When we do, it's an indication of an imbalance or a disease state or a genetic problem or a birth defect of some sort. The nervous system and the skin are closely connected to each other because as embryos, when we were in our mother's uterus, we had a certain embryological phase where the nervous system and the skin were the same layer in the embryo. And as they develop, if there is a problem in one, there will be a problem in the other. That is why people with numerous skin lesions all over their back and torso are usually people who have a condition called neurofibromatosis. There is a condition that affects the nervous system and the skin as well. But if you just have a single mole here and there on your face, on your arm, on your breast, on your belly, usually it's an indication of an imbalanced nervous system. Something happened in the nerve that is making it secrete more of its substances and feed the skin that it innervates. It does not just bring sensory information to the central nervous system, it also feeds the skin that it innervates. And that makes the skin grow in that area that affects that nerve. And once you have that growth, you're going to have some imbalance in the nervous system information that comes from the sensory input of that part of the skin. So it's not a good idea to have moles, skin tags, and so forth for that reason. But also skin tags are those numerous things that people have on their neck and chest and on their face sometimes. And those are related to hormonal imbalance. And hormones and neurotransmitters are very similar too, because all of the neurotransmitters, the nervous system secretions, are also categorized as hormones. So we have hormonal and neurological imbalance leading to things sticking out of their skin, and we do want to address them. Besides that, we have to obviously be aware that many people can develop cancer in places where they have moles or nevuses or growth or skin marks or birthmarks. All of those could be potentially dangerous. At a different time, we'll talk about the warning signs to watch out for to prevent ourselves from developing full-fledged skin cancer.